This is Krish. Welcome to our channels PVSK Cooking, PVSK Education, PVSK 1, PVSK 2, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment. Today we are going to see how to get Emoji images, and also how to dictate without typing. So, and also how to switch off background applications, and how to set the notifications. So this is how to get a slide for a shutdown slide. How to get shutdown slide? It's very simple. So let us go to how to get the shutdown slide. Go to the desktop. We already did that, so remove that. So here, how to get the shutdown slide shortcut. So new, and go to the shortcut. So here %win dir % and Windows 32. So here you can click Windows system 32. Here system 32. So then go to the slide to shutdown.exe, select that. So when you click on that, next finish, so it is automatically. When you, if you want to shut down, no need to go here start button and don't use power button. So if you want to shut down, just click on this one. Slide is came like this. I'm not doing now. So like this. It's very simple. And also, if you want to dictate anything without typing, so Windows button smaller. When you click on this, run is coming, win word. So if you want to dictate something, Windows capital Windows button capital H is useful. It's listening. Hi, how are you? See this? It's listening. When what we talk, it's automatically listen and type it without any manual work. So it's a very wonderful feature. So it's very useful also. So I cancel that. And also if you want to emoji menus, so Windows and dot images are come. It's useful for uploading in YouTube. It's very useful. So like this. So, and also how to switch off background applications is also very simple. Go to the start button and settings. So we go to the privacy in settings. So here it's go down. When you go down, so background applications. So here which applications are background run, which services are run, it shows like this. If you want to off at a time, see this, off at a time. So otherwise, which you want, choose this. So it's automatically off. The background is very useful for a battery charging purpose. So it's a very wonderful feature. And also how to manage here, how to manage notifications. It's also go to the systems in that same menu, in the same window. So notification action, see this, and also or go to the status task bar and click on this manage notifications, same like this. So this is the one of the way. And also here so go to the settings, how to focus assist. So it's also very useful for focus assist. So this focus assist is very useful to notifications, off and on notification. Go to the settings, here focus assist, see this, off priority only, which is priority, and alarms only means here hide the all notifications. So here timing and which you want, select here. So it's very useful focus assist. So kindly please do subscribe our channel, 6 channels, PVSK Cooking, PVSK Education, PVSK 1, PVSK 2, PVSK Entertainment, PVSK Experiment. Please do subscribe. Thank you very much.